folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon Prime trials, and I've got some insider tips for you. Now, I know we all love free trials, but sometimes we want to dip our toes without committing to the full swim. So, buckle up as I guide you through the process of snagging a free trial and canceling it before your wallet feels the pinch. First things first, you'll need an Amazon account. If you don't have one, no worries, you can create it faster than you can say Amazon Prime benefits. Just check the description for the link tailored to your country, US or UK, your pick. Now, once you've clicked on that magic link, you'll see a page prompting you to start your free 30-day trial. Hit that button like you mean it. Now, if you've danced with the Amazon Prime trial before, you might need to waltz in with a new account this time. Creating a new account is a breeze. Name, email, password, boom, you're in. Verify your email, copy-paste the magic code, and voila, a fresh Amazon account is born. Next up, the credit card. Add it in, but here's the trick, remove it right away. Yes, you heard me. You won't get charged within those golden 30 days, and you'll still enjoy all the Prime perks. Now, enter your address because, well, Amazon needs to know where to send the goodies. Click through, and before you know it, your account is activated. Hit the Try Prime for free button, and behold, 30 days of Prime goodness await you. But wait, there's more. To ensure a drama-free breakup with your trial, head to your account, navigate to payment options, and delete that card. No card, no charges, it's like magic. Feeling extra cautious? You can hit that End Membership button, but here's the secret sauce, click Remind Me Later within 3 days of your trial ending. This way, you'll get a gentle nudge without any surprise charges. And here's a little bonus nugget, even after hitting End Membership, you'll still enjoy all the Prime perks until the trial's official end date. So, cancel away without losing a single day of Prime goodness. That's it, my savvy viewers. I hope this guide helps you navigate the world of Amazon Prime trials like a pro. If it did, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more hacks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy Prime ing!